What do you call it when you see two candles? The first candle is a little red one, and the second one is a big green one. What do you call this big green candle? Okay, so the situation, little red, big green. Tell me the whole thing. There you go. That's right. I want the whole thing. I want the whole thing. It is a good Miguel and Jules. That's right. And Shay Lovely. A foolish and goofy candle. I know that was autocorrect. She just says foolish. I know that is not what she put. All right. That's right, Jules. All right, Sister Monica. Mr. Anthony, Jit. Robin Denise. Aloha. Good. Engulfing being bullish. All right. Audrey, I'll go with that one. And G-Force, good. Stacy. I know that's what you meant, love. I know that's what you meant. That was too funny. And Paul, that's good. A foolish candle. I know it's auto-correcting. That's right. Engulfing bullish candle. Good, Sister Sunshine. All right. Now, that, by the way, for all the people who are new, you need to write that down. Okay, let me put this up here because I really want to make sure you guys get this one. This here. Good job. I'm going to use yours, Gift Basket Taylor. Everybody who is new, you need to write this down because this is going to help you make money. Why? Because in the stock market, there are certain things that as soon as you see it, it's the on your mark, get set, go sign. Okay, it's the, let's go. Should I get in now or right now, or should I get in right now? That's one of the, let me get in right now signs. Okay, so you need to know that one right there. So that's why I want to make sure you guys see it so you can write it down and add it to your notes. Okay, and what it looks like is a little red candle and then a big green candle right next to it. Okay, very, very, very important. And matter of fact, let me go ahead and show a picture of it because I want to make sure. You guys get this one in your head because this one is one you need to know. Okay, let me take a picture of it so you can see. Okay. All right. When you have a little red candle and then you have a big green one right next to it. Okay. It's called a bullish engulfing candle. Okay. Right down here. Bullish engulfing candle. All right. So whenever you see this setup where the little red one is here and then the big green one is here, that's the, when you're on a race and they're like ready, set, and then the gun goes off, that's the gun. Go, do your thing. Okay. All right.